everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. My last video was a Thread Up unboxing, and today is going to be a Kosei Threads unboxing. This was my first purchase from their site. They do a lot of wholesale boxes, and this box in particular is the American Eagle women's wholesale box. It comes with 30 items of clothing. I did open it already, only because the box came a little damaged. It was already like partially open when I got it. I think the tape they use is not the best quality. So I'm gonna just dive right in because it's 30 pieces of clothing. So this box took about a week to get to me after I purchased it. I spent a total of $93.60. It was originally $120, but I used a coupon. American Eagle women's secondhand wholesale. The first item is this button up. It's just a black button up, and it's a size small. It's really cute actually. It's very soft. Perfect for the fall, I'd say. Great condition. No holes, no stains. I think I can sell this one pretty easily. Next item is this white blouse. It is just a nice flowy white blouse with a little fringe detail tie right there. It's also a size small. The back has a cute cutout, or not cutout, but just detail where it swoops in. There is a little bit of a mark right there. I don't know if you can see it. Just a little smudge, which I might be able to get out. I'll try to get that out. This is just a basic tank top. Probably won't sell this on any of my selling platforms just because it's pretty basic and I don't think it would sell. So that's one item that I won't be selling. This is another item I probably won't be selling. Striped, like skater style dress. It's also a size, oh, it's a size medium. Has a nice cutout in the back, but the only thing is it looks like it has a little bit of like staining under the armpits, and most people wouldn't want to buy something that's stained in that area, so I probably won't be selling that. Next we have a long sleeve, like burnt orange shirt. I don't know why I'm holding it like this. The size large. Next is this like mustard yellow loose knit sweater. I will say this box contains mostly sweaters. It's a size small. It's very soft. I was hoping with this box I'd get a lot of jeans because I love American Eagle jeans and I think they do pretty well, but like I said, it's mostly sweaters. Here's another cable knit sweater in a green blue color. It's a size small. I also got a similar, same exact style except in red, and same size too, so I'll probably just sell them together. Next we have these like knitted jogger sweatpants. They're the amazingly soft. They're a size small. Next we have this vibrant pink dress, like a bubblegum pink dress. Is it a dress? Actually, it might be. Oh no, it's not a dress. It's a romper actually. And it's a size extra large. And it has pockets. We love that. Next we have these shorts, like mid-rise shorts with a fun pattern, very like boho, size 0. They're midi, and these ones are in excellent condition. Next we have this flannel. I actually might keep this myself. It's very soft. I love flannels. I love just tying them around my waist. This is a size medium, classic fit flannel. Next is another sweater. It is a blue sweater, size small, with a zipper detail. It even has the logo with the little eagle. Next is another button-up jean button-up. It's actually the old school American Eagle tag, size medium. Next is these khaki colored skinny jeans. These are in great condition. They're size 0 jean. Next is this dress. It's like a sweater dress. It buttons all the way down. I think it's a sweater dress. Yeah, it's long enough. It's a size medium. It's a very soft. I love the olive green color. Here are another pair of pants. They're almost like cargo pants because of the big pockets on the side. They're super stretch, super high rise jeans, size 8 regular. I like this color again. Next, we have a skirt, just a black jean skirt that buttons all the way down in the front. Size 6, super high rise A-line. Great condition. And then another sweater, pretty basic, nothing too exciting about this sweater. The size large. Next we have another skirt. This I found pretty interesting. It's a skirt with some red and white lines down the front. It does have a belt on it. However, I don't think the belt originally was sold with this skirt, only because it has a tag on it that doesn't resemble American Eagle. And it's like a raw hem on the bottom. This would be cute on the 4th of July. Has all the colors. They're high rise mini, and it's a size 16. Next we have this sweater with bell sleeves. It's very, very soft, size medium. It's like an interesting gray color, but it has a hint of purple in it. It's like a gray purple. All right, next is this dress. It's a knitted dress, size extra small. It's quite the pile. Right, next, oh, well, there it goes. Next we have this other sweater. I really love this sweater. I think it's adorable. It's kind of loose knit on the bottom half and then tighter knit on the top. But I love this pattern. I think it's has almost a vintage look to it. It's a size small and it's in great condition. 2012 actually. So yeah, very, very much an older style. Next we have this sweater. Yet again, another sweater called a Vintage Boyfriend. It's extra small. It's just a red sweater with gold. I think this would be cute for the holidays, maybe Christmas time. All right, next we have this skirt, just a flowy short skirt with flowers all over it. Has pockets, I believe. Pockets on the side, size medium. Next we have another loose knit sweater. Are we surprised? Size small. I'd say a majority of this box is a size small. All right, next we have another sweater. This is in pink, size small. And I think we have another matching style, but in a different color. This one. Also the same size too. So we have a gray and we have a pink. So I'll probably just sell them together. This is my favorite piece from this box. It is this beautiful bomber jacket, kind of like a dusty blue color, but look at the back. It has embroidered flowers and birds. I just love this, so beautiful. Size extra large, a little stain right there in the front. Unfortunately, I'm gonna try my best to get it out because I think this is just a beautiful jacket. I think someone will definitely want it. And so that was all 29 items. And the last item is actually not American Eagle. I think this was just a mistake. It's American Rag. It's just a sheer tank top with lace on it. American Rag, which I understand, it's an honest mistake, but I don't know if it's worth even mentioning to Kosei Threads. That's everything. That's all. Like I said, it did come with 30 pieces as advertised. However, one item was not the correct brand. And everything for the most part was in decent condition. And I think I'll be listing a majority of what I was sent, maybe with 3 items that I won't be listing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and it gives you a little idea of maybe if you wanna purchase something from Kosei Threads in the future. I'll leave their link down below so you can check them out. I'll also leave my Poshmark closet down below so you can see what I'm selling currently on there. All right guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.